Hello, I'm Gabriela Salomon and very happy to paint for first time with black paper, watercolors. Join me. I'm taking the abstraction of this.
What are you starting with? What part of this are you starting? The first. Okay. Beautiful.
It's only a drawing, a sketch.
What type of paint are you using?
Watercolors.
Do you enjoy watercolors?
Not so much, but it's very easy to carry on.
Some people say it's the hardest medium to paint with. What do you think?
Yes, because you have to lay layers and the transparency. But now in here, because the black paper, I don't have transparency, but it's the color are turning out. So I think it's gonna be nice.
Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.
For the little details, it's very important to be very, very thin.
How many different colors you're gonna use on this one?
I don't know,
What do you think? If you need to guess.
like 15.
15. Wow.
It's the difference between acrylic or watercolors. In here we have the colors made. In the
In
acrylic,
acrylic, you have to
I
make it.
like mixing colors. So that's the difference.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing. We'll be back. Okay, we are back. We took about 10 minutes break while Gabriela is progressing. Let me see what it looks like from here. Okay, now we can see. Oh wow, we can totally see. There you go. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you. We'll be back. Paper. Different than white paper?
Yeah.
How?
All the colors get brighter.
Brighter?
This is only a sketch. That's when you do a sketch, it's very fast drawing. And I wanted to get an abstraction because my next collection is gonna be about this. So do this.
Oh my goodness. Can you take it closer? To the
Closer?
See. Wow. Beautiful. Gabriela, thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
More to come.
Bye.